Here we go. Welcome to Waymo. I think this is us. All right, let's hop in. Before we do that, just take a walk around. It's pretty hot out today, so it's running pretty hard. Nice Bentley. So this is the Waymo, and we're going to go for a quick ride. You ready? All right, let's do it. Cool thing about the Waymo is you can set your temperature and music to whatever you might like. So let's start that ride. Press that button.
Heading to AC Hotel Phoenix Biltmore.
All right. There's been a lot written about the Waymos lately, but I'll tell you, my experience has been all pretty comfortable. So a couple of things. You'll see there is a camera there and there where you see the purple blinking. If you need help, you can press the support button. We're not going to do that right now because I think we're all right. You can also play YouTube music, view your route. Let's do that. So as I said, pretty comfortable. And when you have luggage and stuff, it's all there. It's all good. It will open the trunk for you before you leave. It has not driven away with my luggage yet.
Almost there. Don't forget your phone, keys.
This is kind of a ridiculously short ride, but I just thought it'd be fun. So let's see. We're going to blow this red light. I would. But not Waymo. What else can I say? The seating actually really comfortable. You have, obviously you cannot sit in the driver's seat. I thought about it. You have room comfortably for 3 in the back and 1 up front, which is where we are tonight. These are Jaguar I-Paces. So actually very comfortable cars. Nicer than most Ubers and other Lyfts and the like that you'll get. But, you know, at a Waymo price. The other thing I would say is you don't tend to find as much in the way of surge pricing as you would for an Uber or a Waymo. So overall, very good. I hope you've enjoyed this. I like the temperature at 68, especially here in the Valley of the Sun. Here we go. Now, one thing I'll note, Waymo tends to drop you off where it wants to drop you off, and that's not always exactly where you want. In this instance, we're in, I don't know, I think it's pretty good. You let me know what you think.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
This is certainly a fine place to drop off, but it's not in the Porte Cochet where you might expect for an Uber. So, all in all, I think that was super fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Should we walk in front of the Waymo? Are we going to test it? Why not? It's not going anywhere. All right, Waymo. Have a good night.